Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of compute optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform. I'll explain more details about the types of compute optimized machine family series like C2, C2D, H3. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about what are the benefits and limitation of compute optimized machine family series in Google Cloud Platform so that you can easily understand it. Guys, compute optimized instances are equipped with high performance processor that are designed to handle demanding computational workload. They are particularly well suited for applications that require a significant amount of CPU power such as data analytics, high performance computing HPC and video encoding. You have a web applications with high traffic, a lot of dynamic content generation. Compute optimized instances are best suited for this scenario. You can use the compute optimized instances. In this case, it can help to handle the load for your web application with high traffic load. You have a web application with high traffic and a lot of dynamic content generation, then best choice for compute optimized instances. These instances can help to handle your high traffic with load for your web application. Machine families are further classified by series and generation. Guys, as you can see here, the compute optimized machine family series are H3, C2, C2D. Let's discuss one by one all the compute optimized machine family series so that you can easily understand it and based on your project requirement you can use it. As you can see here, where can you use the compute optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform? Basically, you can use the compute optimized machine families in Google Cloud Platform as gaming, server, as you can see here, media transcoding, electronics design and automation, high performance web serving, AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning, high performance computing HPC. As you can see here, H3 machine series. H3 VMs are powered by two 4th generation Intel Xeon scalable processor, as you can see here, with a total of 88 cores and up to 352 GB of DDR5 memory and all cores frequency of 3.0 GHz. H3 VMs offer the best price performance for compute intensive high performance computing. As you know, the HPC workloads in compute engine, and H3 series is available in one size like H3 standard 88 machine types, comprising an entire host server. To save on licensing cost, you can customize the number of visible cores, but you are charged on the same price for the virtual machine. As you can see here, the some limitations of H3 VMs machine types, as H3 machine series is only available in a predefined machine types. Custom machine type safes are not available. You cannot use the GPU with H3 VM. H3 VM doesn't support the local SSD. Internet egress limited to 1 Gbps. These are the limitation, guys, as you can see here, and you can remember all the limitations as I mentioned here. This is your GCP examination questions also. C2D VMs run on the 3rd generation of AMD EPOS's Milan processor and offer up to 3.5 GHz max boost frequency. And the C2D machine series provide the largest VM size and are best suited for high performance computing HPC. This series offers the C2D standard to C2D high CPU to and C2D high main to machine types. As you can see here, the sum of the limitation of C2D VMs like you cannot use the regional persistent disk. The C2D machine series is a subject to different disk limits than the general purpose and the memory optimized machine families. C2D machine series doesn't support the GPU. C2D machine series doesn't support the solo tenant nodes, and as you can see here, the C2D machine series is available only the select zones and regions on a specific CPU processor. C2 machine series, as you can see here, C2 VMs run on the second generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor, which offers up to 3.9 GHz sustained a single core max turbo frequency. C2 offers the VMs with 4 to 60 vCPUs and 4 GB memory per vCPU. Machine types in this series offer much more computing power and generally more robust for computing intensive workload compared to N1 high CPU machine types. Guys, as I mentioned all the points here, just you can remember it. It will be helpful for your Google Cloud examinations. This series offer C2 standard 4, C2 standard 8 and more machine types. C2 VMs can support the block storage types as standard persistent disk, balance persistent disk, SSD persistent disk and local SSD. Guys, don't worry about that. I will explain more details about our upcoming sessions for persistent disks, balance persistent disks and SSD persistent disks and local SSD, so that you can easily understand it. As you can see here, the some limitation of C2 machine series like you cannot use the regional persistent disk here. The C2 machine series is subject to the different disk limit than the general purpose or memory optimized machine family. The C2 machine series doesn't support GPU. The C2 machine series is available only in the selected zones and regions on a specific CPU processor. Guys, I hope so now you can understand the concept of compute optimized machine family for compute engine and the types of compute optimized machine families series like H3, C2, C2D. Thank you and have a nice day.